Put the bench at a 45-degree angle. And you can put this up, the butt part, lay the dumbbells down. The reason why I want you to put this up is some people are more comfortable with their knees up there. Some people like their feet on the floor. You see how you like it and you attack. Go ahead, lie down. He likes his feet on the floor. So watch this. Put his feet on the floor. He's going to lie down. Leave enough room for your neck, okay? Because I want you to breathe comfortably and lay down where you're comfortable. If you're not comfortable, just adjust, move up or down. Neck nice and straight. Go ahead, grab the dumbbells. Here we go. We're going to roast these lats. Shoulders back and down. Hands are nice and straight. And hold that dumbbell nice and tight. Elbows in towards your body. You want to tuck them inward, okay? So he's going to pull up, bring his hands towards the center of his back. Elbows inward as much as you can. Some people are tighter than others. He's pretty tight, but he keeps those elbows in. Now go back down. Go down right before your arm locks out. So if it locks, that's too far. So right before locking, breathe in on the way down, blow out on the way up, and come up and squeeze those lats. Keep your feet nice and strong on the floor. Don't look around. Don't also bend your back and come upward. Here we go. Breathe in on the way down, blow out on the way up, and squeeze. I don't know. Yeah, on my books it says we don't have it for you.